Hello, everyone, and welcome to Upgrowth. Here at Upgrowth, we are obsessed with data driven growth experiments where we help businesses leverage the power of data to disrupt their markets and achieve explosive results. In today's session, we'll be talking about SEO ROI Calculator, which is a simple tool yet incredibly beneficial for tracking the progress of your organic strategies by using data centric approach when curating your strategy. So if you just scroll past this tool, the interface is very easy to use. The truth is that businesses today struggle to see concrete return on investment from their marketing efforts. But what if you could predict the potential revenue generated from your SEO strategy? That's exactly what this calculator allows you to do so. So stop guessing about the result of your SEO efforts and instead focus on a more data driven approach. As you can see from this interface, this powerful tool uses real data like keyword search volume and conversion rate. And by simply plugging in these details, you can estimate the tangible impact SEO can have on your bottom line. So let's get started with the first input field, which requests number of keywords ranking on first page. Let's say you have 5 keywords ranking on the first page of search result, then estimated monthly search volume of a keyword, which is 5,000, estimated percentage of site visits, let's say it's 5%. Then we have to plug in estimated conversion rate, which is the percentage of website visitors who ultimately become your paying customer. So in this case, let's say it is reduced to 2% from 5% visitors. Then you have to calculate the average cost of your product or service in your currency. Let's say it is 1k 1000, and then you have to simply hit calculate, and that's what you get. As you see from the data, the calculator estimates the total estimated traffic the website received from the keywords, factoring in your estimated percent of site visits. It calculates expected traffic and also total conversion for you, and then resulting into monthly revenue generated from your SEO efforts. See how simple it was. So to try this tool yourself, head over to the link in description below and see the data driven ROI SEO can deliver for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more data driven growth insight, and check out Upgrowth website to explore a whole suite of tools to fuel your growth strategy. Thanks for watching.